If you haven't heard of this freshman who's taking the state of Iowa by storm, you need to, because this guy is electric. Amir Newman-Winfrey has skyrocketed up the IRSL rankings, currently sitting number 2 at 106 pounds in the biggest class in Iowa. And I followed him around at one of the toughest tournaments in the state, and newsflash, no one touched him. The Southeast Polk Ram has not lost yet in his freshman campaign, tallying 16 wins along the way, and he is a bonus machine. At the Battle of Waterloo, Amir picked up 6 wins, with 1 being a forfeit and every other victory coming via fall, most of them within 1 minute. The freshman is lightning quick and gets to his attacks early and often. It's easy to see why he has quickly made himself into a title contender in his first year at the varsity level. So,